Yo, what up, my dudes? My name is Nathan, and welcome to Resident Evil Zero, the prequel to the original Resident Evil. Yeah, boy, I'm gonna try to do this series right and start from the beginning and make my way up.
Resident Evil
Ooh,
Zero.
I really need to get used to that.
A Midwestern town in America, Raccoon City. A solitary island far off in the sea, Rockfort Island. An island that would become the second Raccoon City, Sheena Island. There are still many unanswered questions about these seemingly unrelated yet intensely traumatic events. Though it is believed that the International Enterprise umbrella was somehow involved, little is known as to the origin of this faceless corporation. When was it established? By whom? And how was the T-virus created? To uncover the truth,
What?
we must delve deeper into the events which transpired in the beginning, before the mansion incident.
T-virus? I know about the mansion incident. I don't know how to too much about it, but I know
I think so too.
it was in the original Resident Evil game. But that's about it. I like trains. I like trains. Sorry. This is funny me. What the what? Whoa. Whoa. The hell? Okay, I hope I don't have to deal with those.
It began as a simple investigation of some bizarre murders in the suburbs of Raccoon City. Nothing in our training could ever have prepared us for the nightmare that ensued. We never stood a chance.
What's going on? Engine failure. Emergency landing.
Well, that went well.
Check the current position and investigate the surrounding area.
Captain, look!
So, who's our character that we're playing as today? Oh, good lord.
Captain!
What happened?
Court order for transportation. Prisoner Billy Cullen, ex-lieutenant, 26 years old. Court-martialed and sentenced to death July 22nd. Prisoners to be transferred to the Regathon base for execution.
Those poor soldiers. They were good men just doing their jobs, and that scum murdered them and escaped.
All right, everyone, let's separate and survey the area. Our friend is brutal and ruthless. Keep your guard up.
So, full disclosure, I did play this for about 10 minutes before, but I was half awake and I didn't know what the hell I was doing. So, I don't really remember what was going on. I don't really remember anything.
Train.
Was it raining a few minutes ago? A few minutes ago, or did what? Why is it just is it just suddenly raining now? door to safety is shut. There is no turning back. Okay. Creepy as all hell. Oh god. What is with... Are you serious? This is how I'm moving now? Okay. Alright, this is ridiculous. But I'll make it work somehow. At least I hope.
This is Officer Chambers from STARS Bravo team. Please identify yourself. Is someone there?
Hello? Ew. Oh, come on! Ah. Run, 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 run! Nope, nope, nope. Fuck this shit. Fuck this shit. Okay. Oh god, I'm not a fan of these controls whatsoever. I'm not a fan of these controls. I'm sorry, but I just there's a card reader here. It looks like the door will open if you have the right card. Yeah, right. Do you have it on you, good sir? I know you're holding some. The trained employee's corpse has been brutally torn apart. He's holding something. Nope, just the keys. Is that him? Yep. I think.
Billy.
Yep, that's him.
Lieutenant Cohen.
So, you seem to know me. Been fantasizing about me, have you?
Yeah.
You're the prisoner that was being transferred for execution. You were with those soldiers outside.
Oh, I see. You're with stars. Well, no offense, honey, but your kind doesn't seem to want me around. So, I'm afraid our little chat time is over.
Wait! You're under arrest.
No thanks, Dollface. I've already worn
What the-
handcuffs.
Why
Could
didn't
shoot, you know.
Why didn't you just completely remove the handcuff? What? Oh.
Edward! Are you alright? What happened?
Worse than... We can't. You must be careful, Rebecca. The forest is full of zombies and monsters.
Zombies and monsters.
What? Oh. Oh no. Zombie dog. That ain't good. How do I reload? I wanna reload. How the fuck do I reload? Hold on. Check the controls real quick. Okay, B. It's the run button. That is so dumb. What are some of these controls, honestly? What? Oh, he's got some ammo. Thanks, buddy. Rest in peace. Shit, zombie dogs suck. Alright. Oh no. The atrocious save system. Oh, I hate this save system so much. Like, so much. Just give me a second. Ooh, herb. Yeah, I didn't get to fully explore this room. And I do remember this atrocious save system. Yes, please, let me use that. Ugh, God. I'm not gonna read that. But, yeah. You need these to save here. Unless it's just a one-time thing, which I doubt. Honestly, how could I not? Well, now I just look like an ass. So I can save whenever. Never mind, the save system's not too bad then. I don't need multiple ink ribbons. I was worried there for a second. Okay, what's in here? I don't know, Rebecca. It seemed to have been really. I don't care about that. Honestly, the reading shit is just not my thing. So it's probably not a good idea for me to be doing a series on this game, on this game series specifically, because there's quite a lot of reading. Ew, covered in slime. Let's just no. Ugh. I'm fine with reading in my head, but reading out loud just is, well, as long as it's not too long, it's fine, but there's a certain extent, and then it just gets annoying. But usually when I'm reading in my head, it's relatively quick. At least auto aim is on. I would not play this game without auto aim. Because the aiming sucks in this. It's either up, middle, or down. None of which work. Alright. No, Rebecca, come on. Work with me here, okay? Please. I like saving really matters in this series for me. I could just stop it whenever. Okay, here we go.
This is Rebecca. Over.
Enrico?
Enrico! Hello! Can you read me? Please respond.
Rebecca, I can hear you. Now listen up. We've obtained detailed information on the fugitive from a document found in the wrecked wagon. Billy Cullen killed as many as 23 people. Over.
23? Are you...
23 people.
We have also confirmed that he was institutionalized, so keep your guard up.
What? I don't even...
Stay alert, Rebecca. You wouldn't think twice before killing you.
Enrico! Captain! Hello? Hello!
Shit! The radio's out, isn't it? Damn it. Okay. And from here on out, I am completely and utterly blind. You've gotta be kidding me. Really? That's why I reload beforehand. Land on your ass and really? Absolutely ridiculous, this game. Yeah, let's throw the key out if we don't need it anymore. hell's this? Okay. You again.
It's gonna be dangerous from here on in. Why don't we cooperate?
Cooperate with you?
You're out of your mind. You're a killer.
Listen, little girl, if you haven't noticed, there's some pretty freaked out things on this train. And I
Like
for one
zombies.
want to get out of here. I don't think we stand a chance doing it alone.
You expect me to trust you, a wanted felon? I don't need your help. I can handle this on my own. And don't call me little girl.
All right, Miss Do-It-Yourself. What should I call you?
The name is Rebecca Chambers, but that's Officer Chambers to you.
Jesus Christ, Rebecca is trying to act tough.
Why don't you go and try while I wait here?
Lovely. That's an ass. I don't even want to be reading any of this. Alright, we'll be right back, I guess. Seriously, there's no way fucking Rebecca's gonna do this on her own, trust me. Is there a fire right here? Some sort. Hello?
Excuse me, sir. Sir.
Yep, he's... Oh! What the fuck? Oh. I'm not even hurting this thing. Oh, I got 3 ink ribbons. That's why I could save again. Oh, what the hell? Thanks. Damn, dude. Okay. Not bad. Not bad.
You okay?
Thanks. What the hell? What the hell? He controls those? Does he control those things?
Who is that guy?
Hell if I know. Whoa. Okay.
What's going on? Who's controlling the train?
Go and check out the first engine car. Listen, we gotta cooperate with each other from now on. You got that?
Very well.
Well, I don't...
Clue in, girl. Or maybe you like being worm bait.
All right. You
Alright.
just remember, I will shoot you if you try anything funny.
Yeah.
Fine. Now take these with you.
What's that? Oh, more ammo. Thank you.
If
Appreciate
you
it.
find anything, give me a call. All right?
Gotcha. Okay then. Character switching. Oh. Partner character. You're kidding, right? Oh boy, so I can Okay, so can combine herb-related items. Weak defense. Can use a mixing set to combine chemicals. Cannot combine herbs-related items. Strong offense. Can push many large objects. Oh God. So I'm gonna be playing as two. Oh crap! This is gonna be a pain in the ass.
You stay here.
Yep.
Let's go!
Okay.
Alright, let's keep him with us for now. Don't want any bullshit going on in this. Whatever. Anyway, let's go figure this out. What's going on here? Nice. Back up just in case. Okay, it seems like he's dead again. Like he's dead. Actually dead. Okay. Here I come to save the day. Wow. Only 22 minutes in and I already got an achievement. Lucky me. Okay. Probably should save here. I'm trying to go for the 20, 30 minute mark here because my bro keeps saying to do so. But I won't really need to save unless I'm like going up against a boss, because I could just shut off my console and the game will still be able to be continued from where I left off. I know usually people like to make multiple save datas, but that's just not how I'm gonna do things. I don't do things that way. That's just not my way. Alright. Moving onwards and upwards. Hey, Edward. You alright, bud? Alright. I don't suppose you have a key card on you? God, I don't like the controls all that much. Come on. Can't really check the front of the train if we're... Oh, that's outside? Well, this is a train, so... Step here. Oh, there's an herb, hello. Antique style phone, really? I will take that herb. I gotta watch over both of the... Oh, boy. Ew. No. Ew. Ew, 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 ew. I hate those things. Ugh. Ugh. Okay. Those things really are just... Ugh. Well, where the hell's the front of the train at, huh? I'm lost, guys. I really am. Like I originally said earlier, I am. Oh, well, maybe this is. You're fucking kidding me. Starting to get a little irritated. And I usually get irritated after being lost for a certain amount of time. Are you fucking serious? To the roof. Cool. Can I run to the Can I run to the front train? Figure out why it's fucking. Okay, really? The hell? She can just do that? Wow. Again? So, are we just on our own now? So this guy's got like a knife. Alright, I'm gonna end this episode here. There's a lot already going on. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any tips, let me know in the comments. What a start. Peace out.